guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be doing my review and demo of the new Benefit Cosmetics mascara. Their first magnetic mascara. I think it's the first magnetic mascara on the market. I'm not really sure. Please let me know. Please comment down. Please comment down below. So as always guys, if you like, first impressions, makeup reviews of new makeup products, please don't forget to subscribe on my channel. If you're a makeup enthusiast, if you're a makeup lover like myself, please don't forget to subscribe on my channel. Click the bell to be notified every time I upload my videos. Now let's do a demo of this. This one, I did not purchase this. I actually got this one from my influencer. If you haven't heard influencer, where you get free makeup, could be hair products, body products, food, anything, as long as you are active, and also as long as you are reviewing stuff like makeup, food, it could be anything. So I got this one for free. But as always guys, I'm gonna tell you my thoughts and my honest reviews. I always do honest reviews here on my channel. So this is the first, the real magnetic mascara. We've seen, magnetic false lashes, magnetic mask, magnetic liners. So finally a brand that came up with a magnetic mascara. So I watched their one of their videos on Instagram. They mentioned that the product itself and the one, they both have magnets on them. So I was really curious, and also I was very happy that I got this one for free, because like $27 for mascara is a lot. So this one retails for $27. You can also get this one or the mini size for $15. But I feel like in general mini mascaras are not like accurate, because the ones are really small. So I mean, you can also buy mascaras at the drugstore, are also as good, even better as those higher end or high-end expensive mascaras. So this one I got for free. I wasn't gonna get this one actually, but I'm really glad that I got this one. So this is the real magnetic mascara, retails for $27. So I've been using this one for a week. But first guys, I'm gonna read the claims about this mascara so that you guys will understand. So an extreme lengthening and lifting mascara powered by magnetic technology that delivers up to 36 hours of wear and 40% longer lashes. So the innovative extender brush features a magnetically charged core that pulls the magnetic mineral in a rich formula up and out beyond the tips of lashes for extreme length and powerful lift. Custom design zigzag bristles are strategically positioned to fan out and separate define lashes. And now I just read the this claims about this mascara. Like I mentioned my few minutes ago, I've been using this one for a week. As you can see, I have really short and thin lashes. Accidentally cut my lashes. Yeah, I know, it was so stupid. So yeah, this is the mascara. This is not a waterproof. They mentioned on their Instagram this is not waterproof, but this is a water resistant. But still, now waterproof mascaras are really like hard to remove. That's why I do not like to use waterproof mascara. So I'm really glad it's a water resistant, not as good as waterproof, but water resistant. So this one, I think they only have the color black. So I'm gonna do a demo right now guys. So but before I'm going to do a demo, this mascara works really good with my thin and short lashes, but not something like wow. I'm not like wow. It does give me length, a lot of length and a little bit of volume, but be careful, at least on my lashes, careful. I have to be careful because this one can get little bit clumpy, but I personally do not mind at all, like spidery clumpy lashes. I do not mind because I have really short and thin lashes. And what I like about this one, the bristles are really tiny. So the one that really gets into like the hardest part here, right here and here. So, and also guys, because my lashes they look, they're very like down. When I do like after I applied my mascara, I'll just do like this, like push them up, my lashes push them up, and they, you stay up all day. That's what I noticed, at least for like 6 or 7 hours. I have a stubborn lashes a little bit, but this one works really really good with my short and thin lashes. Not something like I mentioned, like wow, I need to get another one. I feel like it's okay in my opinion. Yeah, that's all I think to say, but I mean, it's okay. It's an okay mascara, but I really like it for my short thin lashes, but not something like I mentioned. I keep repeating myself. Not something that is like, wow, I need to get another one. So it's an okay mascara. To be honest, I do not see any difference about this one, but I like how it gives me like length, a little bit of length, not a little bit, a lot of length for my short and thin lashes. So I feel like if you have really like good lashes, I think use just any mascaras out there. I think it's gonna work on you. But I have really short and thin lashes, so it's really really hard for me to find something that works for me. So anyways, guys, I'm gonna do a demo of this. I'm gonna curl up my lashes really like quickly. I mean, not really quickly, but I'm just gonna fast forward this. Very like spiky one, same as the Gucci one, a mascara that I have been using for a while. So the only difference, both this one and the product inside have magnets on them. So I'm just gonna oh, my crease are creasing right now. So I'm gonna do a demo right now. Guys, already applied one layer. This side here looks a little, I mean, this side looks a little longer than my other side. So one layer looks really good. It's good as, for separating your lashes, lengthening a little bit of volume. But like I mentioned, it can get a little clumpy if you apply way too much product. Then I'm gonna do another layer because you guys know like not a lot of product inside, like it doesn't like coat up a lot, like soaked up a lot of product on the one. So I'm gonna apply another layer. So I'm not gonna talk about applying this mascara because it's really really hard to do this. Oh shit. I'm gonna apply, oh god, I'm gonna apply another layer. I think this is gonna be like the last layer. Oh my god, my left eye hurts so bad. Okay, so I'm just gonna clean up, like see guys the mess that I made. So I'm just gonna clean. I'm gonna get a Q-tip, and then I'll be right back. Like I mentioned, it's not something like wowing me right now. It's not something that I will need to get another mascara on this one, because to be honest with you, this is mascaras that gives me the same results of my other like non-magnetic mascaras. So let me know guys if you heard about this magnetic mascara from Benefit. If you tried this one, let me know. And yeah, those are all like my thoughts about this mascara. I'm done with my demo, and this is the end of my video for this video. Yeah, this is the end of my video. Please don't forget to, okay, okay, just making sure that this part is recording. Please make sure that you are subscribed to my channel, click the bell so be notified. Please like this video because it will really help me a lot guys if you just like my video. I mean, that's what I like to do. If I watch somebody's videos, I always press like, because that really help a lot. So yeah, this is the end of my video. Please don't forget to subscribe on my channel if you haven't already. Give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye bye.